Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Any questions you've got, please leave them down below. I'll always do my best to get back to you. I've just realised I've been making videos for about 2 or 3 months now, and I've yet to make one on Bitcoin, which is what I've been invested in since 2014. So I thought it was high time I did a little bit of analysis and looked at the market as a whole and gave you my thoughts on what's going on. So I like to start off by going over CoinMarketCap and seeing what the market's doing as a whole. It's the second day in a row the market's pushed up, so we're up 2.15% today. It was up 2.5% yesterday, I believe. The current market cap is 874 billion with a 24-hour trading volume of $44 billion. Bitcoin dominance is up to 39.3%, so that is growing. Bitcoin itself is currently nearly 18.9. So it's approaching 17.8. It's approaching $18,000. Excuse me. So it's up nearly 6.5% this week. Ethereum's up 8.5% this week. And what tends to happen when the big boys move, the other ones tend to follow. So this can only be a good thing for the market as a whole. Bitcoin is trending on the CoinMarketCap page. So if we go to the Bitcoin page on CoinMarketCap, we can see the price is up 2.42% over the last 24 hours, trading at 17,877. We've got a market cap of 343 billion, 24-hour trading volume of nearly 23 billion. So the majority of trading across the whole board, more than half of it, about half of it comes from Bitcoin. Circulating supply 19,233,000 Bitcoin. So that's 92%, so there's about another 2 million Bitcoin to be mined, and then it's all out there. I'm not sure when that's going to finish. It's going to be a few years because there's still people mining. Right, so I'm not going to read this article. I'm just going to link it in the description down below. But on Cointelegraph, they're saying that basically the weak hands or the speculators have been shaken out of the market, and there's a metric that this guy used to tell you when the best risk to reward opportunities occur. And he's saying now that all of his indicators are saying that now is like we've gone from, what's the word he used, from capitulation to accumulation. So with the bear market and the FTX collapse, a lot of people that were just in Bitcoin to make a quick buck, like purely speculations, people didn't really know what they were doing, just saw it as an opportunity and now like thinking, fuck this, I'm getting out, which I totally understand because it's the first time they've seen the bear market really. This is my third bear market, so I'm used to this. This is where I do the majority of my buying. So euphoria destroyed from Bitcoin bear market. I'm not going to read this article. I'm just going to link it in the description down below if you want to read through it. It's quite an interesting read, worth 5 minutes of your time anyway. So what I'll quickly do now is go through the Bitcoin chart as a whole. We'll do a little bit of top-down analysis. So we can see we've been in a downtrend since we did hit the all-time high of around $69,000. There was a selling opportunity here. I would have sold. I don't day trade Bitcoin, but there was a setup for a trade there to sell it on January the 1st of this year, which, had I taken that trade, would have left me maybe 65%. But I didn't take it. That's just hindsight. It's a wonderful thing. I don't day trade. I just I'm an investor when it comes to crypto, and I do a little bit of DeFi. So on the monthly, you can see that we are slowly starting to push up. There's looking for any divergences or anything. No, but both of the 50 and 100 moving averages are starting to slope up, they've rounded off, but they are starting to point upwards, which is always a bullish signal. When we move on to the weekly, the 100's above the 50. That's not really a great sign, but they've crossed and that can change. As for divergences, we've got a divergence on the weekly from this low here to this low here. Plus momentum has switched to positive on the histogram. Plus the signal line and the MACD line have crossed as well. Just by looking at it offhand, I don't see a setup or trading signal that I would have taken. I'd have to look down into lower time frames because I like to go from the top down and then look for more of an intraday opportunity. That's primarily on currencies. I've never traded Bitcoin before, but it's something I'm thinking about getting involved in because with the margin trading, there's potentials for massive gains, but also massive losses. And now we're on to the daily. You can see we formed this parallel channel starting on November the 21st, and so it's the lower. Be quiet, dog. Sorry, my dog's making noise behind me. I don't know if you can hear her. The lower end of this channel has been tested a few times, and the most recent time it's bounced off it, and it's tested the top, but today we're pushing up again. If we can close above this 50 MA, then I would say that we're ticking bullish on the daily. So things are looking, let's go down to the 4 hourly, what we got there. Nothing much there for me to say, but it's just the same picture. You can see we've tapped this parallel channel, and we're heading up that way again. We've got positive momentum, signal line, MACD line, both above the 0 line. So I'd like to see us touch this again, if not break through it. I'll go down to the hourly just for the sake of it. We've got negative momentum on the hourly, but it's like a little bit of a holding pattern, really. I'm more interested in what's happening on the daily. To be honest with you, I'd like to see us close above this 50 and then head towards this 100. The next level of resistance that I've got on my chart is at $21,000. So a move towards that area or a close above it, that would indicate to me that sentiment's changing and people have been accumulating, and we can start to think about moving up again. I don't think it's going to be a long-term move, because I think this bear market's going to last for another, well, I'm saying we're going to be in it for another year, so we've still got time to accumulate. I'm accumulating Cardano, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, VeChain, as much as I can, as much spare capital I got, I'm throwing in at the market. But I just wanted to do a quick overview of Bitcoin, because obviously it's the primary holding in anyone, should be the primary holding in anyone's portfolio. So that's just my thoughts on the Bitcoin at the moment, and the market as a whole. I think we're going to stay on this bear market for a while, but there will be days like this where the price does start to push up. I'm not a day trader when it comes to cryptocurrency, but I know some people are, and some people will know more about day trading patterns on cryptocurrency charts than I do. There is actually a buy set up there. If this that's a daily, but if this candle here were to close above this prior day's candle, then that would indicate a buy signal to me. But I'm not going to be taking it because I don't trade these. I think I've repeated myself about 1,000 times with that. But what I'm going to do is leave it for there, and I might pop back and check Bitcoin tomorrow to see how it plays out. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, anything you want to know, any questions, just leave them in the box below and I'll always get back to you, okay? I wish you all a wonderful afternoon and take care for now. Bye.